Pretty printing XML in Python. What is the best way, or are there various ways, to pretty print XML in Python?
LXML is recent, updated, and includes a pretty print function. Check out the LXML tutorial. This URL.
Here's my hacky solution to get around the ugly text node problem. The above code will produce instead of this. Disclaimer, there are probably some limitations.
Another solution is to borrow this indent function for use with the element tree library that's built into Python since 2.5. Here's what that would look like.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.